This is Jennifer from Tarle Speech. I just wanted to give you a quick review of our new book available on Google Play. We have How to Pronounce English Vowel Sounds. How to Pronounce English Consonant Sounds will be out soon. Once you buy the book and you're in Google Play, you can open this book on any browser that you have. So let's go in here and read the book. When you click on read the book will open. And you can just scroll through down here at the bottom. When you want to practice a sound, you can click on it. It will take you to the main page, and then there are some simple directions on how to make the sound, a picture of me making the sound, and then when you click on any of the links, it's going to take you to my YouTube page. And we're not going to watch the video, but as you can see, once the ad is over, an example of how to make this sound video will play. And we have video examples, again, that link to YouTube on specific words with the target sound that we are practicing. And then word lists for you to practice. Again, hyperlinks to YouTube. And then you can also click on this little button here.
Short ER sound at the beginning of a word. Early.
And you can see you get an example of me saying each word twice, and then you can repeat for practice. And then there are example sentences. So head on over to Google Play and get yourself a book to practice your pronunciation. People will definitely notice the difference. And if you want, you can also give it as a gift to your friends. So thank you so much, everyone, and jump on over and get yourself a book.